Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up a helmet defroster to a snowmobile. This particular snowmobile is an Indy 500 Classic Touring. So the first thing you're going to want to do is figure out where your battery is. Bam! Mine is located right there. And then you're going to want to take the cables that were included, red to red, black to black, and then you're going to want to figure out a way to run this cord that it's not going to touch anything hot like the exhaust or the engine and end up burning up, because that would be horrible. What I'm thinking I'm going to try to do is connect it there and go up along that and then out through these little slits here. So I'm going to get it all connected up here, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. Alright, I am back. So I have it all hooked to the battery. The next thing I'm going to do is get some zip ties and zip tie it here. And then I'm going to do a few more along the way here so it doesn't get messed up. And then I'll do one up here, and it'll be good to go. So then I plugged it into the helmet here. I wanted to test to make sure it works, and it seems to be working. It's warming up here. Always a good thing. So I hope this helped you out. If you guys wanted to know how to hook up a helmet defroster to the battery of a snowmobile, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.